Well, hello everyone, my name is Tio from Gru and we are here for the FOREO LUNA Mini 2 review. Prior to this little monster over here, I used to wash my face only with my fingers, and I thought that using any kind of device would prolong my time to go to bed and just be really aggravating. Then this little monster happened, and I just realized that I was so stupid not to choose this before. The texture of my skin is so much improved, as well as I can just see how this T-zone is so much more cleaner than it used to be. So to demonstrate the opening, this is FOREO box as it comes along, and when you open it, the device is inside, as well as the charging cord, which is inside this little box. The charging cord is the USB cord that you can use everywhere you go, so it's really for the on-go users. When it comes to charging issues, FOREO is exceptional because you need to charge this little monster only 2 times in a year. The whole structure of the product is mostly made of the touching points of medical silicone, so it has this little touching point for sensitive or normal skin. So as we go up, these rougher parts are amazing for T-zone area, like next to your nose and on your chin and on your forehead, as well as you can have them over here if you want a bigger peeling. For example, this is amazing before shaving because it loosens up your hair. After rinsing your face with lukewarm water, take the FOREO device and put it under the water in any position you'd like because it's completely waterproof. After choosing the facial cleansing cream, take one of the 8 intensity levels that FOREO offers you and let those 8,000 of these sonic vibrations put all the dead skin cells away. So thank you guys for watching video about FOREO Mini 2. I really love this product. It was my personal decision to buy this product. You can buy FOREO Mini 2 on foreo.com for $139, and hope you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel if you did. So until the next time guys, bye and see you in my next video.